Welcome to our another video of Cloudways series. On this video, we will see how to create applications on Cloudways. Last video, we had created the servers. So we have one server here. We will create applications under this server. So now go to the dashboard, click on the My Servers. You can see the server here and click on the application. We have already one application, two application, and this is the test application, and the another is staging for this test application. To create a new application, click on this add application icon, select the server for the application. If you have multiple server, you can select that server. We have just one server, so we selected that test server and add the application. Now you can choose what application you want to install here. So you can install WordPress, WooCommerce, PHP, any kind of applications or custom website application. For now, I am installing the WordPress. This application name is my site. Project is test project. Add application. So the application is just creating. It will take up to 2 minutes to create the application. So the server is now busy. We cannot do anything on the server now. The server is now creating the application. It will take up to 2 minutes. The application has been created. When we click on the applications, we can see the application My Site is created here. Okay, now clicked on this site. There are many options to manage this application. First of all, we have the access details. Here we can see the application link, the username and the password. So if you click on this link, it will open the WordPress staging site. This is the WordPress. To log into the back end of this WordPress, click here, copy the username, paste it, copy the password and paste it. Now you can see the backend of this WordPress. So this WordPress is installed on the server, and you can change the themes, install the plugins, and whatever you want to do, you can do here on the WordPress backend. So let's go back to this Cloudways dashboard again. So let's explore other things. So these are the databases which we don't need. Staging management. If you launch staging application, it will create another application, and that is for staging. You can test your website or create your website on the staging application and then import the site to the main application. Then click on the monitoring. You can analyze the traffic of this website. So we have some traffic request. That is me. This is my IP address, and I just logged into this website and they have counted my IPs. Then we have this option, scanner. Here, if any themes or any plugins have issues, you can see, that will be listed here. Bot protection, you can turn this option on to secure your website from bot attack. Then domain management. Here you can add multiple domains that will be used for showing this website. Now this is a dummy. Now this is a subdomain by Cloudways to show this website. You can change this subdomain to your .com domain or .org or .net domain here by adding this domain. I will show you later on next videos. SSL certificate. You can install SSL by selecting Let's Encrypt, or you can upload your custom SSL. This site already SSL enabled. On backup and restore, you can back up your website by clicking here, take backup now, and you can also restore by selecting the backup file from here. We have no backup file, that's why it's showing blank. Then application settings, there are some informations about your applications. Migration tool. This is a WordPress plugin, WordPress migration with Cloudways. I will show you how you can migrate your website from other host to Cloudways using this migration tools. This is how you can create applications on your server. You can create unlimited application under one server. So this is 2 GB server. Under this server you can create unlimited. Selecting this server, you can create unlimited application and unlimited websites. So this is the benefits. So thank you for watching this video. If this is helpful, please like and share this video, and on the next video I will show you how you can add domain on this application.